Good morning, everyone. It's an honor to welcome you today for a special celebration of Japan and the vibrant spirit that inspires us. From this remarkable country, we are shaping the exciting future of mobility. At Nissan, it is a future where legacy, innovation, and imagination intersect. Japan is more than a core market. It is a profound source of inspiration and central to our brand identity. That's why our boot design pays tribute to Japan's rich manga culture, celebrating the creative spirit it represents. Despite today's challenges, Nissan remains bold, energized, and deeply committed to shaping a better tomorrow. Through our Re-Nissan plan, we have refocused on what makes us unique, redefining our approach to better serve customers. We are proud to showcase new and refreshed products, technologies, and services that bring our vision to life. At Nissan, that future is intelligent, powered by advanced technologies, delivering purpose-driven products and innovative solutions. Our redefined strategy centers on three pillars: core, heartbeat, and partnerships. Core models deliver reliable, accessible mobility tailored to market needs. Heartbeat models ignite emotion and showcase Nissan's bold design and engineering spirit. And strategic partnerships expand our reach with regionally optimized offerings. Across all pillars, we apply the right powertrain: EV, e-Power, or ICE, based on the model purpose and the market demand. This thoughtful, customer-centric approach reflects Nissan's DNA and belief in mobility that empowers journeys and society. As one of our key markets, today we are proud to present new products and technologies set to revitalize Japan. We are not only refreshing our lineup, but also expanding into new segments, creating excitement and new possibilities for our customers. Our success in Japan is vital and provides a solid foundation for Nissan's global growth. We are set to reignite our operations here with updates to long-standing models and the introduction of a new flagship, blending our rich heritage with cutting-edge technology to deliver vehicles that surpass daily expectations and steer emotions. It all begins with a nameplate that has been part of Nissan's story for nearly 30 years. Ladies and gentlemen, I am excited to unveil the all-new Nissan Elgrand. And here it is, our fourth generation Elgrand, crafted under timeless Japanese futurism, exuding sophistication and elegance. We have reimagined this icon to reflect our future vision. Inside, it offers the highest levels of hospitality, warmth, serenity, and refinement, embodying the spirit of omotenashi. Powered by our third-generation e-Power and enhanced e-Force electric all-wheel drive system, the Elgrand marks a new era of intelligence, efficiency, and engagement, delivering comfort, safety, and joy for families. It goes on sale next summer. Now, turning to a global flagship, the Patrol. Over 70 years, we showcased it at the first Tokyo Motor Show. It has become a symbol of adventure and capability worldwide. Though we haven't offered a large SUV in Japan since the Safari ended in 2007, that is about to change. I'm pleased to confirm that the Patrol will launch in Japan in the first half of fiscal year 2027. With the powerful 3.5-liter V6 go-anywhere capabilities and the spacious, luxurious interior, the Patrol will make a bold statement like nothing else on or off the road. Now, for those seeking advanced EVs, we present two models that exemplify our commitment to sustainability and innovation. The all-new Nissan Leaf has just gone on sale in Japan. And as a third-generation EV, it benefits from 700,000 global sales and 28 billion kilometers of real-world experience. Alongside it, our refreshed Ariya debuts today, our flagship EV crossover with enhanced design, connectivity, and vehicle-to-load functionality. Ariya launches later this fiscal year. These models are part of a broader energy ecosystem. Our Nissan Energy display shows how EVs support energy management, reduce grid dependency, and enable active lifestyles. From powering household devices to providing backup during disasters, Nissan EVs help build a sustainable future. This is the era of intelligent mobility. Our advances in autonomous driving and mobility services redefine movement. Even those without a personal vehicle can enjoy freedom of movement. Nissan's Level 4 Serena Mobility Services will launch in fiscal year 27. Using cutting-edge autonomous tech, these services will empower society and connect communities. And looking ahead, we will introduce next-generation ProPilot in Japan within fiscal year 27. Our partnership with Wave enables a leap forward, supporting safe, confident, hands-free highway and urban driving with advanced AI. Before I conclude, let me highlight how Nissan leverages partnerships globally. In Japan, our partnership with Mitsubishi Motors produced the all-new Roox, accessible mobility with a youthful design and leading infotainment. In Europe, the Micra developed with Renault has been reimagined as an urban EV, continuing a 40-year legacy with zero emissions. And in China, our N7 EV sedan, produced by Dongfeng Nissan, is creating a new legacy, welcoming first-time buyers with ultra-comfortable, stress-free driving. From our smallest Roox K car to our flagship Patrol, and even for those without a car, we're introducing exciting products, intelligent technologies, and services to re-energize our lineup in Japan. This momentum is driven by a shared belief. The future belongs to those who dare to innovate. Everyone at Nissan is committed to embracing change and taking bold, innovative approaches, united by a determination to redefine what's possible, reshape our legacy, and transform mobility. We envision an intelligent future where mobility empowers individuals and communities. Together, we are forging a path to a more sustainable, connected, and inclusive world. Thank you. I invite you to explore our booth and experience the bright new future of Nissan.